Hello Beshies, it's me again, Samantha. Anyway, before watching, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also use my Klook promo code SAMANTHATRIX for travel discounts and use my Airalo promo code for eSIM discounts. If you want to know some Shein boodles, Shopee boodles, or Lazada boodles, click the link below.
This is going to be my third time in Hong Kong and I can't wait to go back. I thought, why not share all the essentials you need to prepare before your trip? Oh, diba?
From travel talks, money matters, cameras, and more. Let's make sure your Hong Kong trip goes smoothly. Whether it's your first visit or you're a frequent traveler like me, this guide is for you.
Let's go, Beshi.
First up, your passport. So, make sure it's valid for 6 months. Super important to mga beshi. 6 months yan kasi 2031 pa yung expiration. So, make sure na i-check nyo muna. Kasi nangyari na to sa akin before hindi ako nakaalis. Kasi expired na pala ang passport ng beshi nyo. Okay. Next, pack smart. Bring comfortable clothes, toiletries, and a UK-style power adapter. I also recommend getting eSIM for your internet. It's a lifesaver or a game-changing when navigating Hong Kong. So, mga beshi, use my promo code Samantha Trix. When it comes to money, nanood kami ng mga tips kung saan mas magandang mag-withdraw or magpapalit. And sabi nila, okay daw mag-withdraw dun sa Hong Kong using GCash. Low exchange rates siya. So, yun yung gagawin namin and I will show you that on my upcoming videos or vlog. And don't forget to download these must-have applications like MTR for transport, Google Maps for navigating Hong Kong, para hindi kayo maligaw. And Klook, of course, for your flights, activities, hotels, SIM cards, and a lot more. Of course, makakamura kayo if you will use my Klook promo code SAMANTHATRIX. And if mas gusto nyo bumili ng eSIM sa Airalo, meron din akong code doon, SAMANTHATRIX. So you can use that also. 10% siya. Oh my god, what's that? Wala naman. And next up, don't forget to pay your travel tax at the airport. 1,620 pesos siya. Pwede rin siyang bayaran online. So, make sure na gawin nyo siya para hindi kayo ma-hassle. Kasi lalo na Terminal 3, sobrang daming people. Okay, wait. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung dadalhin ko. Kasi carry-on baggage lang yung dadalhin ko. Hindi ako magsha-shopping sa Hong Kong. Okay? Okay, hindi ako magsha-shopping. So, hand carry lang and my personal bag. So, tinimbang ko na to kagabi. 6.5, biruin yun. Light traveler to. First time. Anyway, thank you nga pala kay Klook kasi almost Klook sponsored tong trip ko na to. Use my Klook promo code SAMANTHATRIX. So, ito siya. That's my carry-on baggage and this is my personal bag. So, what's inside my carry-on baggage and my personal bag? Hey, wait lang. Hindi ko pa naayos tong personal bag ko, but I have here my passport, my shades, my drones, and my Insta360, my tripod, and of course, my passport, my wallet. I will put my laptop here kasi kailangan ko talaga yung laptop ko. Ayoko man siyang dalhin, pero kailangan ko talaga. Yung iPad na lang yung iiwan ko. And my DJI pouch for my camera din. So, more likely, my personal bag is for my gadgets. For my babies. Babies ko to, no? Okay, wait lang. Bubuksan natin yung maleta ko. Super ano lang siya. Sorry na, kasi medyo masikip. Pero it's okay. Kulang pa to actually kasi yung mga brass ko na lang yung wala pa. Yun na lang naman yung kulang. But tinimbang ko na to and super gaan na to. Kasi nga light clothes lang naman dahil hindi naman siya winter. Here you go mga beshi. So, what's inside my carry-on baggage? So, this is for our Disneyland trip. This is mine and this is Celso's. And ito yung gagamitin kong bag sa Hong Kong. And nandito yung mga adapter and chargers ko. So, ito yung for UK, for Hong Kong, UK style power adapter. Wait. And ito lahat is damit ko. This is for my undies and bras. This is raincoat and para sa shoes. Kasi mag-ocean park kami, so baka mabasa kami kasi bumili kami doon. Bumili na ako dito. Worth 5 pesos lang siya. I will show you the link later. And this is my Onitsuka shoes. Comfortable shoes. Comfortable shoes siya pag walking ako. Kasi ang dadalhin kong shoes is ito. My Timberland boots. Yan ang susuot ko sa airport para hindi mabigat. And this is my clothes then for 5 days. 5 days, 4 nights. Ito kasi parang more like yung mga pantulog or extra clothes ko lang siya. Tapos ito, mga clothes ko. So, hindi ko na siya bubuklatin isa-isa. Kasi makikita nyo naman yung outfits ko. Ibibigay ko din kung saan ko siya nabili. Ibibigay ko yung links kung saan ko siya nabili. So, okay, that's it. Bye. Sarado ko na. Also, magbibigay pala ako ng immigration story ko. Kasi tayo mga Filipino, laging yan ng ano natin eh. Hindi naman kinakatakutan. Like, concern natin kapag travel tayo. Ano kayang sasabihin ng immigration? Ganun. And that's it mga beshi. You're ready for Hong Kong. Wow, ready. Ready na tayo for Hong Kong. I can't wait to share my adventures with you all. Make sure to subscribe for my upcoming vlogs. If you're planning your own trip, make sure to book on Klook with my promo code SAMANTHATRIX Klook to get exclusive deals. See you on Hong Kong.